Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Neovim. So wrapping can refer to two different behaviors. So we have soft wrap, visual only, or hard wrap, inserting actual new lines. Soft wrapping makes long lines fit within your window without changing the actual file content. So what we can toggle right here is toggle wrap, use a common set wrap and like that to toggle it on or off. Um, Now, by default, Neovim may break lines in the middle of a word. To break only at word boundaries, use something like that. Set wrap, or you can set line break. So these are two options that you can use. Now the hard wrap, it will look something like that. Set text width 80. Uh, this will this it will actually insert line breaks into your text file, typically used for Git commits or markdowns. Then we also have some recommended configuration for Lua. So we in our Lua file we can add something like that just to show you. So we have vim opt.wrap is equal to true. This enable wrapping. Then we have vim.opt. Just that I get into. Then we can use something like this. Vim opt line break true, or this is wrap at word boundaries, and we have keep indentation on wrapped lines. It will look something like that. Vim opti break ident is equal to true. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.